Hi guys! Good afternoon. Katatapos ko lang maglinis. I'm not feeling very well today. So yung nilinis ko lang, yung dito lang na area sa kitchen. Kasi, parang meron akong ubo na super dry. Ng ubo, sumasakit siya sa lalamunan. Tapos, yung ilong ko din medyo stuffy. And then, sobrang sakit ng likod ko. As in, sobra. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sakit ng katawan ko. Medyo lightheaded din ako. Hindi masakit yung ulo ko. Pero medyo parang konting galaw, parang nahihilo ng konti. So, yeah. Dito na lang muna na area yung nilinis ko. Yung sa hallway at saka sa mga kwarto. Siguro bukas na lang yun. Pero, yeah. Yung mata ko din, ang sakit-sakit. Parang, kapag nagbe-blink ako, parang merong something sa mata ko. Gusto kong umiyak para parang ma-cleanse yung mata ko. Pero, hindi naman ako maiyak. Ngayon na gusto kong umiyak, hindi ako makaiyak. Pero kapag walang mga kwenta-kwenta bagay, naiiyak ako. Pag alis ni Dan kanina, sabi niya, matulog ka ulit. So, bumalik ako sa bed and natulog ako. So, nagising ako mga 10:30. Umalis kasi siya mga 8. So, nagising ako mga 10:30. Tapos, yun, pagising ko, ewan ko, ang weak-weak ko. Tapos, naglinis ako. Kasi sobrang bagal ng paglilinis ko kasi parang konting galaw ko lang, parang mahihilo ako ng bongga. So, paunti-unti lang. And then, he did turn on the heater before he left kasi malamig daw. Pero, pag alis niya, sobrang init ng pakiramdam ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. And yeah, tumawag siya kanina, sabi niya siya daw maglilinis. Sabi ko hindi, kasi lalo ako magkakasakit kapag nakita kitang maglinis. Hindi ko gusto yung paglilinis niya. So, sabi ko, hindi ko nalalinisan yung hallway at saka mga kwarto. Ito na lang kitchen. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. I think I will take a shower and then see kung magiging okay ako. Gusto ko kumain ng fries at saka chicken nuggets. So, I will text Dan and ask him to bring me some. Coffee ako kanina, yun lang. Hindi ko naubos yung pastry kasi wala akong gana. Pero gusto ko kumain ng fries at saka chicken nuggets. So, I will do that. And, yeah, maliligo lang ako. I'm still not feeling very well, but oh well. Nakaligo na ako. And now I'm having strawberries. Ang yummers, tingnan ba? Ang dami. Ito yung nabili namin sa Costco and I had 2 already. Gutom na ako kanina. I was ironing his shirt para bukas and sabi niya dadalhan niya daw ako ng fries at saka nuggets and sabi niya maaga din siya uuwi. So, sana dumating na siya kasi gusto ko na kumain ng fries. Pero, yeah, tinatamad ako. Ayoko magluto. I'm just gonna have strawberries while waiting for him. Kasi, wala akong gana kumain ng rice. Like, eto okay lang siya. Okay lang. Yung katawan ko is still so weak pa rin. Tapos I'm still lightheaded. My Hungry Jacks is here. Ang gusto ko lang dito, ito yung 5 for 5 na stunner deal nila. Na $5 or actually $5.95 for, right? $5.95?
Yeah, $5.95.
Right, so 6. And then, they have chicken nuggets. Tatlong chicken nuggets lang. Yummers! And then fries. Ito lang yung gusto ko eh. Itong dalawa lang. And perfect na sa akin yan. Mabubusog na ako niyan. Tapos meron din silang burger. Na hindi ko kinakain kasi hindi ako mahilig sa burger. So si Dan kakain ito. And then sweet and sour sauce of course. Para sa aking nuggets. And then meron din silang kasamang mini na drumstick. Tapos Coke. Right there. So, yeah. Ito yung kakainin ko. Late lunch. Very, very late lunch. Kasi wala akong ganang magluto kanina. And wala din akong ganang kumain ng rice. It's not focusing on my face. But yeah, kain tayo. Dan is cooking the pasta with white sauce. But yeah, nandun na lahat. Nalagyan na niya ng cream. Naluto na niya yung bacon at saka mushroom. And then, nandito yung avocado. And then, our pasta today is ravioli. Yummers. I hope it's enough for your lunch tomorrow.
Lunch as well. It will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be.
Hindi ko kasi maluto yung lunch niya tonight. Sa kasama ng pakiramdam ko. But yeah, sabi niya ito na lang daw ibabaon niya bukas. Ito yung gagamitin namin. Marami naman siya, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be enough. Ravioli, beef ravioli. So, yep. Ang cute ng ravioli kasi isa siya pa ganito, straight, pa ganon. And you need to break it into pieces. Ang ganda lang. Gusto ko yung mga ganito eh. Ang cute, diba? Ang dami nila. Parang 5 ganito. Tapos, not this. Like, 5 ganyan kalaki. And I think lulutuin namin lahat. Meron pa doon, no? Tinest namin kung parang ilang ravioli yung magkakasya sa isang plate. Pero, I know na mag-expand yan. But like, you know, just to give you an idea. But yeah, lulutuin naman siya lahat. Yummers. Yummers. Parmesan cheese. Wala akong energy. Sakit-sakit ng katawan ko. Nanghihina ang buong katawan ko. Yummers. Thank you. Hello! Gabi na. Siguro mga 10:30 na. Magaling na ako! Yay! Uminom ako ng gamot kanina. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinainom sa akin ni Dan. But yeah, uminom ako. And I actually went to bed siguro mga 7:30 right after ng dinner. Kasi nga, sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. And yeah, dun ako. Nag-edit pa ako ng video. Kasi siguro mga 9 naging okay na ako. And then yeah, na-edit ko yung video ko. And ngayon, kakain kami ng snacks. So sabi ko sa kanya, anong gusto niya? Gusto niya daw ito. Ito yung nabili namin sa Costco. And then, yung gusto ko kainin is yung clover chips. Ito. So, dun kami kakain sa bed. Okay lang kasi hindi ko naman siya nalinis today. Kasi nga, diba? Hindi ko nalinis yung sa hallway na part at saka sa mga kwarto. So, dito lang ako naglinis sa kitchen. So, yeah. Linisin ko siya bukas. I'm filming you. Yes. You said you would get beer. What else did you get? What is that? What is that, babe? Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Again? I got you stickos. Hello, can I have some? I like those. I didn't know we have that.
There's only 4 in there though.
Can I have at least one, mister? Can I have one, please? You don't want to give me one?
You can have 2.
This relationship is supposed to be sharing. Just one. I don't want two. Just one. Babe, just one. I don't want two. I'm not going to eat two. Thank you.
Okay.
Where's your sticko or your wafers? And beer. Okay. I have this. I can't open it, babe. Can you please open this for me? And I'm just watching Trisha Paytas. Ang dami ko ng YouTube videos na hindi ko napanood as in sobra.
That's hard.
I know. I can't open it. Don't break it.
It's already popped.
Oh, thank you. You got it. I hate the way you eat. Good morning, guys! Meron talaga akong choker. Na-receive ko package today. So, sinuot ko yung choker na na-receive ko sa package. Tinaray ko lang siya. Yeah, ang ganda, diba? I'm preparing my coffee. Dito na yung aking coffee. And then, I will have toast today. So, lalagyan ko lang yan ng butter. Tapos, lalagyan ko din siya ng sugar. Yung ubo ko, sobrang... Anong tawag dun? Parang sobrang dry na sobrang sakit. Kapag umubo ako, sobrang sakit. So, hindi na masakit yung likod ko. Pero, yung ubo ko, sobra. Tsaka. Pero that's okay. At least hindi na masakit yung katawan ko. Hello! I'm gonna have lunch. Iniinit ko lang yung aking pasta, yung kinain namin kagabi. And I was gonna go out today. Naplano na kami ni Dan na lalabas ako today kasi diba last night I was feeling better. And then sabi ko, gusto kong lumabas. Gusto kong i-check yung Kmart sa city para ma-check yung mga dadalhin ko pa uwi, mga pasalubong. I don't think I will go out because I feel kind of lightheaded. Hindi na masakit yung katawan ko, pero yung boses ko din nag-iba. Yung ubo ko sobrang dry na sobrang sakit sa lalamunan. And then, oops. Oh, shoot. Ayoko na mahimatay ako doon. Ako lang mag-isa. Hindi muna ako lalabas. And I'm having a hard time opening the Parmesan cheese. Oh, okay. Na-open ko na siya. Kanina ang hirap i-open kasi yung kamay ko kasi kakalagay ko lang ng hand cream. So, ang init ng pasta. But, ganito yung niluto ni Dan kagabi. And then ngayong gabi magha-hotdog kami. So hotdog na yung ilalagay sa bun. Ilalagay sa hotdog bun. Oh, by the way, I received new contacts today from pinkicon.com. So binigyan nila ako ng Lolly Gray, yung shade ng contacts. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Ganyan yung itsura ng contacts. I can't wait to wear it. Tagal ko na hindi naka-gray. If you guys watch my how I did my makeup in college, siguro nakita nyo yung picture na I was wearing gray contacts. Then, it was just fashion lenses kasi okay pa yung mata ko noon, or so I thought okay siya. Pero, walang grade. Pero yeah, walang grade yung contacts ko noon and I was wearing gray. Yung ganito, 2-tone ata to or 3-tone. I don't remember. I think my gray contacts before was 2-tone and it was from Gio. Yun yung pinakaunang gray contacts ko. And meron akong gray contacts from EO pero hindi ko siya bet kasi feeling ko over siya. I'm not sure if you're one of those people na nanonood ng videos ko noon pa. I actually wore that contacts in one of my videos. I think it was a haul video. I don't remember. But yeah, para sa akin, it's like way too much gray para sa akin. Tapos black din yung border niya. So, like obvious na obvious yung gray sa gitna. And for me, it was just, nahihilo. I did wear that nung pumunta si Dan sa bahay. And sabi niya okay na okay daw. Gusto niya yung gray sa akin. But para sa akin, hindi talaga. So yeah, but ito, I'm excited to wear it. It's, 3-color contact lens. So, silicone hydrogel 3-color contact lens. I'll leave their link below. 1 month lang siya. This is only good for 1 month. Okay, I thought it was 6 months. I'm pretty sure 6 months yung pinili ko. But whatever. I will have my lunch. Kain tayo. Hindi ko naubos yung lunch ko kasi wala akong gana. You guys, ang dami pa Sabi ni Dan, iwan mo na lang dyan. Uubusin daw niya. So, tumawag siya kanina and sabi ko, bilhan mo ako ng nuts. Kasi, nung weekend pa ako gustong kumain ng nuts. Ano nangyari sa boses ko? And, yeah, hindi kami nakabili ng weekend kasi nung pabalik na kami dito galing, saan pa kami galing? Costco. Nung pabalik na kami galing Costco, close na yung nuts place na gusto niyang bilhan. So, ang tsaka ng boses ko. Pero, yeah, nung weekend ko pa gusto mag-nuts. Tapos kahapon, hindi siya nakabili ng nuts kasi nag-request ako ng fries at saka chicken nuggets, diba? So, yun yung ko. Now, I'm gonna have strawberries again kasi hindi ko feel yung lunch. And, yeah, dami nitong strawberries na to. Kailangan ko siyang ubusin. Si Dan hindi masyadong mahilig sa ganito. And binili siya ni Dan kasi sabi ko, pwede mo yang i-make sa sa banana smoothie mo, churva. And tinry niya, actually na-vlog ko yun. Hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. Parang medyo tangy. Tama ba yung ko? Basta, hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun kasarap para sa akin. Though, si Dan, inubos niya. So, feeling ko para kay Dan okay lang. So, wait, lagay ko kayo kasi hindi ko ma-open yung strawberry niya. Nakapatong kayo sa isang ganito. Very, very scary. Huwag kayong malaglag. Tsaka ng boses ko, sobrang nilamig ako kanina. Natakot ako kasi ako lang mag-isa. Paano kung may mangyari sa akin? Pero okay na ako ngayon. Uminom ako ng gamot na pinainom sa akin ni Dan kahapon. So, okay na ako. Kanina sumakit na naman yung katawan ko. Pero again, uminom ako ng gamot and now okay na ako. So, ito kakainin ko to. And then, launch ako ng boses ko. And then, yeah, pagdating ni Dan, kakainin ko yung nuts. Sana makabili siya. Sana hindi mag-close na naman. Baka abutan na naman ng close yun. Gusto ko kumain ng peanuts na maanghang. Kasi wala lang, feel ko lang kumain ng peanuts. Parang hindi ko feel yung pasta. Though, ang sarap ng pasta na niluto na kagabi. Pero yeah, hindi ko siya feel. Sobrang konti lang nakain ko. Sayang naman. Pero kakainin niya yan mamaya. Tingnan nyo itong mga strawberries na to, you guys. Ang yayamers nila. And ganyan na yung kulay nila. Like, it's dark red na hinog na talaga siya. Sobrang yummers. And, yeah. Nag-edit ako ng video today, hindi ako makapag-film kasi yung boses ko ang tsaka-tsaka. I need to film a whole video. Meron ako natanggap na package today. Nakita nyo na yung contacts, diba? Pero, parang gusto kong mag-sneeze na Tapos, nakatanggap din ako ng clothing from Shein. Ito, merong 1, 2, 3 ba dito? 3? Yep. Apat na clothing dito. So, yeah, kailangan ko i-haul yan. I will pick another winner sa giveaway, you guys. Kasi I haven't heard back from the first winner na napick ko. So, yeah, I will pick another one right now, randomly, of course. So, here's the link to the video. I'm just gonna copy, paste here, and then load comments. There's 1,497 comments. And then after ma-load nyan, I will pick a random winner. Okay, the winner is Abigail Balmes. Hi, Ateres. Ang daming mas. Keep safe and thank you for sharing some of your blessings. God bless. please email me, Abigail, please. I hope you're watching this video. Please email me. My email is in the description box, yung business inquiries. And yung giveaway na to sa Pilipinas ko na masasend ha. I will be home, by the way, mid-October. So before my birthday, nasa Pilipinas na ako. My birthday is October 24. And yeah, before noon, nasa Pilipinas na ako. So yeah, malapit na ako umuwi, guys. After nitong giveaway na to, lahat i-announce ko na sa Instagram kasi ito yung last giveaway na sa na sa YouTube ko i-announce. Yung ibang giveaways, kailangan i-follow nyo ako sa Instagram kasi doon ko siya i-announce. So yeah, sana matapos na to kasi para sa akin hindi madali na sa YouTube kasi not everybody watches my video within 24 or 48 hours, you know what I mean? So Abigail Balmes, you have 24. You have 48 hours. I hope I hear back from you before your time is up kasi sayang yung giveaway. Ang gaganda pa naman ng price nitong giveaway na to. I mean, for me, it is good. Like, yes.
They got a bit of a kick to it.
What?
They got a bit of a kick to it.
Yeah, it's way more spicy than the other nuts. You don't like it?
Too spicy for me. I'm not gonna eat them.
Ito, dito yung nuts ko. It's mixed as well. Wala siyang, naubusan na daw sila nung spicy nuts lang. It's like nuts mix something. Hindi, gusto ko siya kasi it's spicy talaga. Yummer. Hello! Parang feeling ko lagi na lang ako na dito sa vlog today pero I will prepare Dan's dinner. I'm a bit okay now. Like, you still can tell sa voice ko. I'm not sure if you can tell, but my voice kind of sounds different. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But yeah, lagi akong umuubo-ubo. And again, dry pa rin yung ubo ko. Si Dan tumakbo. And pagbalik niya, magluluto daw kami ng dinner. So, lamig. Kahit naka-on yung heater, ang lamig-lamig. Pagbalik niya, magluluto daw kami ng hotdog kasi yun yung dinner namin. So, very simple dinner lang. Hotdog yung in a bun. Grabe you guys. Gusto ko to. Like, gusto ko siya. Masarap siya. Pero si Dan, grabe kung makakain ito. Like, look at that. Nabili niya to nung Saturday when we went to Costco. And then siguro yung nakain ko lang from Saturday, 4 lang. Like, I like it. But like, I'm not addicted to it. Pero si Dan, ang dami na niya kinain. Anyway, magda-dice lang ako ng onion, konting onion, tapos capsicum, and then mushroom, and then chicken para sa lunch niya bukas. So, yung lunch niya bukas is, rice paper roll.
I'm recording, babe.
You're recording? What are you cooking? Hot dogs. You're cooking hot dogs.
Good job.
What are you eating? Can you show them your face? Nah. Ganyan yung itsura ng sausage. It's black.
Black sausages.
What is it?
Black sausages.
It's not supposed to be black, but he burnt it.
They're not bad.
They're not, yeah. They're alright. They look good. And then you have your onions there. So you will just cook the onions. And then the oven is ready, babe.
Yeah, I gotta put the things in.
The buns. Black hot dog.
It's not black.
Black onion.
No, it's not black.
That looks black to me, but no, it's not. It's just because of the oil. And then what else? Cheese? Oh yeah, let's put cheese on it while it's hot. Para ma-melt yung cheese. Cheese is here. We're using cheddar. It looks black on camera. Hindi siya ganyan kasama, you guys. It's not really
It's not
that
black.
bad. It's not black. It's almost there.
Dark brown.
It's dark brown, people. And then, ooh, that feels nice.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
You can put your Filipino sauce on if you want.
Yeah, I'll use my ketchup. Ketchup, 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 ketchup. There you go. Banana ketchup. The what?
That one.
The what?
I said beer.
Beer?
But I thought taking it out, but I haven't taken it out yet.
So we're having beer as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so ganyan yung itsura ng akin. Sa kanya ganyan. Ooh, yours looks so good. Gamit niya yung ketchup. Australian ketchup. No.
Yeah.
Heinz, no, they have it in US. It's not yours. Is it yours, Heinz?
Maybe.
No, it's not. Hindi ko maubos yung hotdog, so si Dan yung uubos nito. Will you finish my hotdog, babe? Thank you. I don't think my appetite is back 100%. So wala pa rin akong gana. My lips, like I'm sick, but my lips looks great. I didn't apply anything today, except for the lip balm that I applied last night. Oh, siguro dahil sa strawberry. Pero sobrang ganda ng lips ko, hindi siya dry at all. May sakit mat lahat, pero yung lips. Okay ka, lips. Anyway, I'm gonna close my vlog. And then, yeah, yun lang yung ganap. Pasensya na kung walang ganap yung vlog. Wala akong magawa eh. Gusto ko lumabas today, kaya lang hindi pwede kasi baka mahilo ako sa labas, baka mahimatay ako. Ako lang mag-isa, kawawa naman ako, diba? Kakahiya din naman. Okay na naman ako, like, hindi na masakit. Well, kasi nga, diba, nag-take ako ng tablet. Pero kapag nag-take ako ng tablet, hindi na masakit yung ano ko, yung katawan ko. Pero nahihilo pa rin ako. Yun yung kinakatakutan ko. Kapag lumabas ako, baka mahilo ako, baka mahimatay ako. Sana bukas okay na ako. Pero we'll see. I'm still yeah, mainit pa rin ako. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!